hash map in Java. In this program we are discussing hash map and hash map objects. Now what is a hash map? So here you can find that hash table based implementation of the map interface, and this implementation provides all of the optional map operations and permits null values and the null key. The hashmap class is roughly equivalent to the hash table except that it is unsynchronized and permits null. But in case of hash table we didn't allow to insert any null key or the null values. But here in case of hashmap, the null values and the null keys are permitted. This class makes no guarantee as to the order of the map. In particular, it does not guarantee that the order will remain constant over the time also. So let us go for one hashmap object. The name of the object is employee hash. It has got instantiated. It will be holding this integer wrapper class object as the key and string object as the value here. So how to add item to this hashmap object? The method is put. So here the key is 12 and the value is programmer, key is 14, value is instructor. In this way we have added 5 such values there. So if you print this employee hash, then what will be the outcome? You can easily find that. So the employee hash map will be having the value that is 18 tester, 21 is equal to casual, 12 is equal to programmer, 13 is equal to programmer, and 14 is equal to instructor. You see the order in which I put all these items, so they are not occurring in the same order. And also you can find that the value has got repeated but the key cannot get repeated here. You see the value has got repeated. So here we are having this programmer, here also we are having this programmer, but the key values are different here. So if you go for another one, say if I put this one, say for this 12, for this 21 rather, I'm putting this one as debugger. So you can find that this 21 has got updated with the text debugger here. So let us go. So it is my debugger. So I'm changing the spelling here actually. So that you see 21 is now debugger. So what is happening, as the key values are the same, so that's why the debugger is not a new item for this employee hash, but this 21, the respective value casual, has got replaced and updated by the value debugger here. So if we erase this line and if you go on executing, we can find that against this 21 key the value is casual. Now see, we are going to search how to search a particular item against the key. So if employee hash dot contents key 18, so you see 18 is present, so that's why the true will be the outcome. You can see the contents key is returns boolean, contents key returns boolean, and it is under the package java.util under the class hashmap. Contents key is the respective method name which will take one object as input argument, object key as input argument. Here we have passed this integer class wrapper class object 18 as input argument, and it returns boolean to check whether the value, the key has been found there or not. So in case of 18, the type of the employee, there is a system.out.println, the type of the employee will be employee hash dot get 18. You can easily find that it is printing tester, because against 18 we are having the value tester here. So tester is getting printed. But what about this 108? So 108 is this respective key is not present here, so it will go on printing the key is not found. So in this way, in this particular demonstration, we have discussed into details with the demonstration and the sample programming code, hashmap, its concept, and how to define objects, and how to define and how to access different methods from this object as well.